3 serious law of attraction mistakes that could be costing you your dreams. Hello everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, what a beautiful day. We are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Today I want to share with you 3 serious law of attraction mistakes that sometimes people make, and it kind of stops the manifestation, or if nothing else, it slows it way down, if you know what I mean. Okay, so number 1 is focusing on lack. You know, there's the old saying of a gentleman who does visualizations, he does affirmations about money, and he's thinking, oh, I'm great, I've got money coming everywhere. And then he goes out to the mailbox and he opens it up and he sees a stack of bills. Boom! And immediately he's focusing on lack again. But more importantly, if his bills are overwhelming, he might be focusing on fear. And if he is wondering if he's going to be able to pay those bills, he could be focusing on doubt. More importantly, he might be focusing on limiting beliefs. So number 1 is focusing on lack, but it also includes fear, doubt, and limiting beliefs. You really have to monitor your thoughts, don't you? I mean, isn't that what's important? Throughout the day, monitor your thoughts. Are my thoughts of increase, soaring high, or decrease, falling down? And if they're of increase, you are attracting, you're manifesting. But if you're fearful, if you're doubtful, if you have limiting beliefs, then you are likely not attracting what you truly and absolutely desire. Number 2 is what I call choking the energy. And choking the energy is, okay, I just did an affirmation. Ooh, it hasn't manifested yet. Wait a minute, I'll do another affirmation. It hasn't manifested yet. And if you're a client of mine, I'll do another affirmation and call Robert and let him know it hasn't manifested yet. And that's what we call choking the energy. You're just too tense. Your muscles are tight. Come on, relax. Take a deep breath. Open that chest, stretch back those arms. Let that light energy come into your body. You see, when we choke the energy, when we are so focused on results that we take our emphasis off of process. So what I'd like you to consider is to focus on the process. Enjoy the process. Do your affirmations and then get on with your day. Can I tell you a little story? Oh, I better not. I'm going to do it anyway. So when Rachel and I we weren't together. We were like 3,000 miles apart. And I talked her into leaving a scarf, and I hung it on the wall. It's a bright yellow scarf. And every morning I would get up, I would touch the scarf, and I would say, I'm glad to have you with me. And then I would sit down, I would do my affirmations, I'd do a little creative visualization, but then I would let it go. And I wouldn't think about it all day. I wouldn't wait for the phone to ring all day. I wouldn't walk around going, it's not working, which is an affirmation and a negative one at that. I would just let the energy flow. And that's the same way it is with money, with business, with your career, with your health. You have to stop choking the energy. Let it flow, let it grow. Simple as that. Hey, number 3, You don't want what you think you want. In other words, you think you want a new Mercedes-Benz, but you don't really want a new Mercedes-Benz. What you really want is that Toyota Camry that you've been looking at, that every time you see it drive by, you go, wow, that's an incredible looking car. I love the way it looks. But everybody, all of your friends, your social circle, they're all driving Bentleys or Mercedes-Benzes or Jaguars. So you feel you have to have one. So you put out an intention for a Mercedes-Benz when deep down you just want a Toyota Camry. Okay? It's about getting in touch with what you really want. So go to the end of the story and see yourself with what you really want. Is this what you really want? In other words, some people will say, Robert, I broke up with this person. I really want this boyfriend or this girlfriend. And they're adamant. Do you know what they really want? They want to feel loved. They want to feel cared about. They want to be with somebody they find attractive. And they want to have a connection. And it might be with that person, but always leave room for the universe to bring you someone better, something better, a better car, a better job opportunity, a better relationship. Trust the universe. You are not the creator of your world. You are the co-creator of your world. It's as simple as that. So really get in touch with what you want. When you really are in touch with what you want and you know deep down you want it, it'll be easy to attract it. It'll be easy to get up early and stay up late working on it. It'll be easy to go to the gym. Maybe you don't want to have a chiseled body and you're going to the gym and you hate every minute of it and you just want to be healthy. Okay? Good enough. Find what works for you. Want what you want, not what someone else wants. Okay, you're doing wonderful. I know you are. You're soaring high. I feel it. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.